Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so tracking works reliably. Install the Upwork desktop app and sign into the account tied to the hourly contract. Once done, accept the contract and set your hourly rate. Make sure time tracking is enabled and pick a consistent work folder so screenshots are captured correctly. Also verify your billing settings and choose the correct project. This prevents misapplied hours. These first steps make the rest of the process smooth and auditable. You now perform the core tracking routine. Start the Upwork timer at the beginning of each focus session and stop it when you break. Make short task labels so clients see context. Let the app capture screenshots and record activity levels. This explains productivity and helps invoices clear faster. If you add manual time, document why, describe passive work or offline tasks. Once done, review the session in the app and merge or split segments to keep the timesheet tidy and accurate. You finish by reviewing and submitting hours so payments happen on schedule. Go through your weekly time cards before Sunday, edit notes where needed, and confirm each session belongs to the right contract. Upwork processes hours automatically, and the client has the review week to approve or dispute them, so monitor messages. Export the timesheet or generate your invoice for bookkeeping. Troubleshooting tip: if hours don't appear, check desktop app permissions. Restart the app and re-upload any missing screenshots to recover tracked time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.